Okay, I'm having spasms in my arm. I just want to show everyone what they look like when I go to straighten it out. And I can't unclamp my hand. So this is just a normal tremor. And as you can see, my hand is going completely out of my control. And if I pull it up a little bit, it's not as bad. But then that still goes. It's not pleasant. As you can see, I got the lobster claw hand going on. Oh, the joys of RSD.